Welcome to IT Platform. Today, we have our fourth lesson in Python, and we'll explore one of the most important and commonly used topics. Working with strings. You'll learn how to process text, modify it, and use built-in Python methods for working with strings. This is a skill you will definitely need when developing programs. Let's get started. Quote, what is a string? First, let's understand what a string is. A string in Python is a sequence of characters enclosed in quotation marks. These can be single, double, or triple quotation marks. Here's an example. Python. Copyright code. Text 1 equals, hello. World. Single quote. Text 2 equals, Python is cool. Quote. Text 3 equals, this is an example of a multiline string. Strings can contain letters, numbers, spaces, and special characters. Now that we know what a string is, let's move on to working with them. Indexing and slicing. Every string in Python is a sequence of characters, and each character has its own index. Indexes start from 0. For example, in the string Python, the first character, P, has an index of 0. The last character, N, has an index of 5. Negative indexes start from -1, where -1 is the last character. -2 is the second to last. And so on. Let's look at an example. Python. Copyright code. Text equals Python. Print. Text. 0. Hash output. P. Print. Text. -1. Hash output. N. We can also take slices of a string. For example, Python. Copyright code. Print. Text. 0 to 3. Hash output. Pyt. Print. Text. 2. Hash output. Thon. Slicing allows you to extract parts of a string, which is very convenient. Quote, string methods. Python provides many methods for working with strings. Here are a few examples. Changing case. Python. Copyright code. Text equals, hello. World. Single quote. Print. Text. Lower. Hash output. Hello. World. Print. Text. Upper. Hash output. Hello. World. Removing spaces from the edges. Python. Copyright code. Text equals, Python. Print. Text. Strip. Hash output. Python. Replacing substrings. Python. Copyright code. Text equals, I like Python. Print. Text. Replace. Like. Love. Hash output. I love Python. Splitting a string into parts. Python. Copyright code. Text equals, apple, banana, cherry. Print. Text. Split. Single quote comma single quote. Hash output. Apple, banana, cherry. These methods will make working with text fast and easy. Practical task. Let's solve a small practical task. We have a string. Python. Copyright code. Text equals, Python is easy to learn. Our task. Make it uppercase. Split it into words. Replace the word easy with awesome. Here's the solution. Python. Copyright code. Text equals, Python is easy to learn. Hash uppercase. Print. Text. Upper. Hash output. Python is easy to learn. Hash splitting into words. Words equals text. Split. Print. Words. Hash output. Python. Is. Easy. To. Learn. Hash replacing a word. New underscore text equals text. Replace. Easy. Awesome. Print. New underscore text. Hash output. Python is awesome to learn. Try repeating this exercise yourself. Quote, practical task for viewers. Now it's your turn. Complete the following task. Create a string with your name. Convert it to uppercase. Split it into characters. Replace one letter with another symbol. Write your answers in the comments. We'll check them. Quote. Conclusion. That's all for today. We've covered the basics of working with strings, their indexing, methods, and manipulations. I hope you found this lesson helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. In the next lesson, we'll talk about data collections. See you on IT platform. Quote.